Hey, Love Notion sewists. I have some incredibly exciting news, and that is that our newest pattern is here. The Saltwhistle Top and Dress has just dropped, and it's ready for you. This pattern is so cute. As soon as I saw this design, I knew I wanted to sew like a million of them. And this pattern is also pretty exciting because it marks the first pattern in a hopefully large collection from the designer Kira Wood from Island Socialist. She has brought all of her creativity and her island flair to this pattern, and together with Tammy, who fully drafted it with a reliable fit that you can count on, they have created the Saltwhistle Top and Dress. This pattern has a square neckline. It's made for woven fabric. And the thing that makes it so cute to me is this really beautiful scalloped hem detail. Now you can go way over the top with a fully tiered dress, or you can make it a little bit more simple with a peplum version or a simple dress. But whatever way you choose to make this pattern is full of style. It makes an amazing statement piece. It would make a great wedding guest dress, or just any fun event that you have. This would be the perfect thing for it. It'd be great all through the warmer seasons. So we're thrilled with this new design. We cannot wait for you to sew it up. And we are just so thrilled to introduce you to Kira Wood as a pattern designer through Love Notions. So take a look through the pattern listing. It is on sale for this week only. It's going to be able to be purchased for $9.50. Regular price is going to be $12.50. You know that you can count on Love Notions for patterns that fit and are easy to sew. And now we've got this great new island flair piece from Kira. We hope to see much more from Kira in the future, and please let us know how you feel about this design and this piece where we know that so many people are just going to love it. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope you take a look at our newest pattern in the Love Notions collection.